let y'all know about PTLE, CMCT, and WINT. Okay, PTLE, I want everybody to be able to buy this at a low, right? I want you to go to your Robinhood app and look at these stocks, and these just stocks you can buy low and you can sell high. Okay, and it's basically to the point. I want y'all to learn this strategy to rinse and repeat to be able to get money. If you open up your Robinhood app, you go to PTLE, they got a low of like 26. I want you to be able to buy this under 36, 30 cent, 40 cent, and to be able to hold it until at least $1 or $2. Okay, CMCT, I want you to be able to buy this under $8, and I want you to hold this forever. This gonna pump for a long time, but not forever, to at least 400-500. Okay, and then with WINT, it's the same thing with CMCT. Okay, I just want y'all to be able to buy low and hold your shares until the shares get higher. Okay, and these just basically stocks that you can use to be able to diversify your portfolio as you move forward in just trading stocks or just owning stocks. These beginner-friendly stocks, you could just buy up for the low, hold, and watch your money grow for sure. I want y'all to like and subscribe this video.